walked in, wearing midnight like a second skin. Crow on your shoulder, fire behind your grin. One look and the whole damn city went quiet. My heart restarted, screaming through the riot. You're my resurrection, my 30 hours of hell. Every scar you touch feels like coming back from the well. They carved me open, painted the walls with my name, but your fingers traced the stitches and nothing felt the same. I'm falling so fucking hard, it hurts my bones. Shelley Webster, you're the only gospel I've ever known. I'll be your Eric Draven till the paint runs dry. Even when the crows take my eyes, even when the dirt fills my mouth, even when the reaper tries to drag me south. Death can't keep these souls apart. I'll claw through the grave just to taste your heart.
You taste like rain on rusted iron and expensive sin.
Legs around my waist like you're pulling me back in. Skin on skin with lightning cracking through the floor. Every thrust rewrites the moment they kick down your door. I fuck you like I'm trying to prove I'm still alive. You moan my name like a prayer that learned how to survive. They took your body, tried to steal your flame, but baby look at us, we're still burning the same. I'm falling so fucking hard, it hurts my bones. Shelley Webster, you're the only gospel I've ever known. I'll be your Eric Draven till the paint runs dry. Even when the crows take my eyes, even when the dirt fills my mouth, even when the reaper tries to drag me south. Death can't keep these souls apart. I'll crawl through hell just to taste your heart. Ride me till the makeup smears black across your thighs. Scream my name till the neighbors know I died. Let the bed frame bruise us both, let the sheets catch fire. We'll fuck like lovers who've already expired. One more time, one more life, one more grave we'll climb. You're mine, past the flat line, past the end of time. I'm falling so goddamn hard, I'll never stand again. Shelley Webster, my beginning and my end. I'll be a crow and shattered, oh, your blood on the floor. Your husband in this life and every fucking one more. They can bury me deeper than any man's been sent. I'll still find you in the dark, love. Every goddamn centimeter of torment, 'cause death can't keep these souls apart. I love you violent, I love you scarred, I love you till the universe forgets how to start. It can rain all the time, but if it does, baby, I'll stand in the storm with you forever.